is what I have achieved in 2025. Okay, I have visited 2 provinces. I bought myself a Ranger. I bought 2 wardrobe for my kids. I got myself an expensive gate. Yes, my gate cost 23k. I have built myself a stop nonsense. Yo, you cannot enter in my house without my permission. I have reached 2.5 million followers on Facebook. I'm a queen of content. I got myself a passport, but I understand. I have renovated 2 of my bedrooms for my kids and mine. Hey, I sing a pan that's not calm. I bought myself a double door fridge. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Musadi wasebenza. I bought myself a bed of my dreams. I can accommodate 6 people. Yeah. I have plastered my house. I bought a dog. Yeah, a dog. Not just a dog, a big dog. Okay. I have spoiled myself with some perfumes, bags, and tagged myself out. I bought myself a Volvo. Boom, 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 machine. Okay. I have put an electric fence. Uninvited visitors. You're not allowed. Uzofa. Okay. I have donated for people. That's what I like. So we'll see next year on how we're going to donate. I have worked with a company, a big gambling company, EasyBet. Bought myself an iPhone. Yes, EasyBet. So you guys better join EasyBet. Oh, sorry. I have get my kids a helper. Yes, alright. Bought myself a washing machine worth 8,000 rands. Okay. Last one. I have renovated my kitchen. Guys, remember I was cooking outside in Inhleka Zinja. Guys, 2026, we are doing wonders. I want to have 4 businesses. Then I want to buy a big car with a sunroof. I want to be a successful DJ and I want to hire 20 ladies. 2026 be my year. Love you guys. Bye. Let's cut the cake. Let's cut the cake to celebrate and open the savannah.